Add or remove Open with Browse Apps in the Microsoft Store. In Windows 11, the Open With context menu includes an option to browse apps in the Microsoft Store. While this can be helpful for end users, many organizations prefer to standardize applications to strengthen security policies and streamline workflows. In this video, we'll walk through advanced methods to enable or disable this option. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Overview and prerequisites. First, keep in mind that these methods involve modifying system settings. You'll need a device running Windows 11 and administrator privileges for registry or group policy changes. Also note that many of these methods only work on older Windows 11 builds. Devices running build 25206 or later may not respect these changes. Let's start with the registry editor method, which is best for manual testing or applying per user or system-wide UI changes. How to add or remove the Browse Apps in the Microsoft Store option in the Open With context menu. Method 1. Using the registry editor. Start by pressing Win+R, typing regedit, and launching it with administrative privileges. Navigate to this location and look for the key named No Use Store Open With. If it exists, deleting it will re-enable the Microsoft Store option. If it doesn't exist, you can create it manually to control the setting. Once you're finished, restart File Explorer or log out and back in to apply the changes. Right-click a file to verify the update. Method 2. Using the command prompt. The next method involves command prompt, ideal for quick scripted changes or batch file deployments. First, open command prompt as an administrator by pressing Win+R, typing CMD, and pressing Ctrl+Shift+Enter. Then, simply run this command to disable the App Store option, or run this one to enable it. When you're done, restart File Explorer to apply your changes. Method 3. Using PowerShell. The PowerShell method is a strong choice for automation and enterprise-wide deployment. First, press Win+R, type PowerShell, and press Ctrl+Shift+Enter to launch PowerShell as an administrator. Next, run the following command to disable the Microsoft Store search option. Otherwise, run this one to enable it. Method 4. Using local group policy. Lastly, for Windows 11 Pro and Enterprise editions, you can use local group policy, which works well for standalone workstations. First, open the group policy editor and navigate to this location: Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, System, Internet Communication Management. Then open Turn Off Access to the Store and set it to Enabled to disable Microsoft Store access or Not Configured to allow users to browse apps again. In the end, managing the Browse Apps in the Microsoft Store option can help standardize applications, reduce user friction, and improve security across your organization. For more information, check out our official blog post on adding or removing this context menu item, linked in the description below.